Alright, what's up guys, it's JBR, we're doing part 2 of Minecraft.
I'm in this one.
Yeah, Robbie's in this time, he's just in the other biome. Yeah, he's coming over, let's go get him. I'm gonna go get him.
My voice is so dead.
I'm near you, yeah.
I sound like a bloody
Oh, I can
lawnmower.
see someone's game attack.
Yep, that's me, I see you, Robbie.
That low.
I am above
Who
you.
agrees that I sound like
Hi.
a lawnmower?
Hello. Alright, you Robbie, follow me. Robbie.
What?
Yeah, come down here, follow me.
I can hardly.
Yep, up you come.
Oh, I got seeds. Right. Are you usually in the normal villages there? Like, spruce forest ones?
Robbie, you could keep that
like
pickaxe.
The village that was at spawn. That's the one I want.
Oh god, I accidentally made a wood shovel.
Gosh. Right.
Need iron.
There's nothing I really need from there. How about...
I found gold, which I can't get yet because I don't have flipping iron.
What did you do, iron? You thought iron.
Well, no, but don't you remember last time I accidentally made loads of armor instead of the pickaxe that I needed.
Oh,
So I'm using a stone pickaxe. Yeah.
I've got an iron pickaxe right now.
I don't. And I need it because I'm in the mine.
Wherever you are, I don't know where you are.
I'm in the mine.
Just the one guy at our house.
Yeah. What's in the furnaces? Meat. Alright. There.
Okay.
What I need is to smelt the iron so I can go back.
Okay.
Shall I make some more furnaces? I'll make a few more furnaces.
I know, I think my voice has dropped completely. Okay,
I'm coming. I am coming, alright? I was in the mine and then I was moving my iPad. Jesus. What'd you say?
not fast enough.
Oh, Jesus. Screw you, Robbie. And you want me to go to bed so badly, don't you?
Oh, I'm just gonna destroy your farm. No, literally destroy like get all the wheat from it. Wheat from it.
Alright.
That's because there's some wheat.
Say that'll be toxic.
What should I do with the seeds? Oh, well.
What is this I've found? It looks like a ravine. Oh wait, no, that's not a ravine. Oh.
I got 21 coal, so...
I also found a creeper. That's nice. I found a mob spawner. I found a mob spawner.
Oh, nice.
Go
you
now.
You need to keep track of where all of these mob spawners are, because we can use them as a...
What?
XP farm.
What I might have to do is just like dig straight up and just like build a little tower in the sky or something. Does that sound good?
We've got 3 chickens in the house. No, here's mine.
But I haven't got any string.
Alright, so this is exactly above it.
I made a stone wall. I just made some stupid.
No, my pickaxe! Oh, thank God I'm at the surface. That could have been
like
bad.
6 stacks of spruce wood.
I see a village.
It's annoying because obviously you can make like banners as like, and you can set locations on your map by placing banners with name tags. This is confusing, but like it helps with your maps to tell you where your stuff is, like dungeons and stuff.
So guys, I just figured out that Billy's audio is like 20 seconds ahead of the gameplay, so sorry guys.
Zombie villager and a spider. Die.
I'm coming back. The master has returned.
Right, where's the house? Right, come on.
And Robbie's just there like, yeah, right.
I've been playing Minecraft since Xbox 360 and I'm still this bad.
I wouldn't say I'm bad, but I've been playing since 2011, so.
Look, one of the chickens escaped. Look, now we've just got two.
Oof. I thought I came back with 6 stacks of wood, I've only got 5.
Wait, can you
5 stacks of 5.
Can you hit me or something? I'm on half a heart, it's really bugging me.
Why do you just need some food and then you'll reach
Because
out?
I have.
We got this sugar cane over here. I'll get some of that.
Look, I was on half a heart, that's what it's really bugging me, because I was just like, I'm going to die if I go outside, I can't some mobs. I've got a bone, by the way, so we can get a dog soon.
I've got 10 bones.
Oh, you're solid.
Make that 12 bones, actually.
Yeah. I don't know how the creeper can see me from up there.
I call dibs the first dog we
Oh.
see.
I don't care. I call dibs on the next chicken.
Of course you do, Robbie.
I don't even
No.
like chickens in real life, to be honest. In Minecraft, they are quite cute.
Wait, I'm gonna see how tall it is.
I've just checked the chat on my on stream, and Ty was in it, and he says, "Yes, Josh, boo, Billy, what is up, Josh? My Minecrafting. Imagine what is up, Josh?
Yeah, what's up?
You're supposed to like seeds.
Yeah, can you like lead him away, please?
No, this is the one that escaped. Time to bring it back.
No, one of them escaped.
Little fucker.
What? I needed to get in somehow.
I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about little chicken.
Oh,
To the game, to the game.
got it. Let's go.
Family here.
We got these chickens.
Right, no more chickens, otherwise it's a violation.
Yes, we only allowed 3
Sugar
OGs.
canes in the food chest.
Oh, sorry.
You know which one's Franklin, right?
Yeah, totally.
No, I don't. I only just got back.
Obviously.
I don't know which one
What
is.
kind of owner would I be?
I don't know which one. Which one's Franklin?
Yo, which one is Franklin? Oh, it's this one here.
We need a name tag badly.
Oh, wait, he just
We have a name tag in our
he just planted an
chest.
egg. Frank, okay, that's not Franklin. The other one's Franklin. The one over here is Franklin. The one that doesn't like his child.
Oh God. Imagine not liking your own child. Like, just imagine that.
Quite sad.
That's my parent. That's my parents with me.
Wow, feels bad.
I'm up to the point where the only food I have is a golden apple.
Yeah, but there's loads of food in here.
Oh, good.
Guys, I spent.
Yeah, I am a young.
I spent like
I'll put this in there.
10 minutes earlier, like just mining spruce wood, and I spent.
Yeah, I know.
I'll put this gold in there.
I've used up every bit of it.
Oh wait.
What does our house actually look like from outside? Hello, ETL7 from 28, Franklin. Lots of eggs.
Oh, I don't mind making a for it. I mean, they are my responsibility, aren't they?
Okay, yep, I think it's an abandoned village. That sucks.
I don't know how you actually put the chests down on the Frank
Find your KitKat now at kitkat.kitkat.com.
Did you say Kit Kat, Kit Kat, Kit Kat?
Yeah, I did.
Swear, yeah.
I did do that.
Why?
Because why not?
No, no,
No, well they should be because like my mic's from right, like pretty much like really close to my iPad. Where I found a forest fire. There's just some lava flowing down a mountain and it's burning a load of trees.
Oh, what's that?
Teamtrees.org.
Like Greta Thunberg is going crazy.
Oh, I think I found an actual village. I may or may not have found an actual village.
What are you doing?
Da-da-da-da-da-dora.
I'm making a house for the
Nice.
Yeah, well done.
Maybe we can be friends. Okay. Or not. That works. Bye. Okay. I'm all the way back at the base. Alright, that's the end of this episode. I've just died and we've got chickens and loads of hay.
I did shut the door.
Oh, flip, yeah. Make sure you shut the door. Yep, that's the end. Bye.
Alright, see you guys.